To get to Rooney Street, 7586 Rooney, you have to drive past a little horse property. And on that road that you come in, there's a view of the foothills. Also, there is green space right there, a lovely little park bench and tot lot, and it connects to an easement that runs all along the backyards there of those other properties with these walking paths and some cool decorative grasses. But I digress. Oh yeah, and then of course on the street, another view of the foothills. The house itself doesn't seem to need anything except for a light bulb and a shower door repair. This side path goes to a covered patio. Look how little lawn there is to maintain here. Super charming and cute. We all sort of fell in love with it when we walked in. Sneak preview. We've got Herc. We've got Cece.
Hi.
She's glowing. And the fireplace could glow too.
It's gas.
Except I don't see the shutoff house.
It's gas. I can tell by looking at it.
And then, so the master primary suite's that way. And the other bedrooms are this way. We've got dueling linen closets. A nice bedroom or office. Nice paint, nice carpet. Not too small, not too large. Linen. The bathroom. Nice floor. Toilet, shower, another linen closet, and another bedroom. Now this one has your neighbor's patio outside. Fortunately, we've got these pull-down stringless blinds. Wooden floor at the entry.
Sammy wants to know, will it rent?
Yes.
She's like, it's not downtown, will it rent?
We'll have to find out exactly what it will rent for. We'll ask Melissa, but if we're both walking in and feeling a lot of charm in this house, I can't help but think your renters would as well. Stainless steel flat top range, nice fridge, microwave, nice cabinetry with the modern hardware, and then this great patio off both the dining and the primary. And then a 3-car garage. What a great feature. Now, is this a pantry or a coat closet?
It's a
Pantry.
The coat closet's here on the way in.
We did have a coat closet.
Behind the front door.
Oh, I called it dueling linen closets. Coat closet's a little small, but hey. I guess not everyone has the same level of coat problems that I have in terms of buying too many. So this is laundry with a quick access, slider door access into the primary suite zone, which has this and this lovely bedroom with sliders. It's a single level home. And it does have, this is real tile that we're walking on here. Hard surface, nice counter, another linen closet in the master. Again, to my right was a little sliding door to the laundry room. Walk-in shower with glass doors that are currently down, but will be up. And separate nook for the toilet. It's not too small, and it has a window in it and a fan. Soaker tub with a window above, frosted glass, which we like to see, in nice hardware. And then my favorite part of the house. Yes, all those coats that did not fit in the small coat closet could be put here. The 3rd-car garage, again, will be a nice feature. And there's good connectivity between all the things. And the master, or the primary suite, has a really nice flow, has its own wing. This covered patio here is nice and spacious and lends just enough room to an outdoor seating, comfy seating, loungy seating, or also a second outdoor eating area. The garage has an epoxied floor. And then it's of course got that 3-car garage setup, which people love. It's a 2009, so that's going to be an original furnace, and it looks like an original water heater if I had to guess. Yep, 2009. Fortunately, when they fail, it's pretty catastrophic, but not when it's in a garage. So you will budget for that within the next little while, but there's not a whole lot that you have to do here. I've got some nice bees enjoying these flowers. This is your alley for the alley load garages. And your side yard. Neighbors have a ping pong table. I think they get bonus points for that. Ouch. I think that's all we've got. Let's count dirty feet. I'll tie it all together for you right here. Vinyl fence. And an excited Cece.
I'm texting him while you're